Yes, life is slowly coming back to normal here in Mindelo. And here my good friends Dave and Sarne are off on a mission to help keep the wildlife safe. And Peter decided to investigate if this older life raft will still be ready for an emergency. Once inside, his idea is to check that the gas canister still holds enough liquid to inflate the life raft. This boat was donated by the Sea Shepherd organization, and it regularly goes out to change crews stationed on the 3 nearby islands, which are nature reserves. Once the gas bottle was liberated from its confinement, Peter checked the weight information and went to weigh it. It turns out it was intact and fully prepared to blow the raft as it was intended to. Now back to our project for Wendy's little house. Vitu had come to get his friend Cyprian to do masonry work. As well, we were driven around by Simo. They had to collect sand to mix with the cement. As it were, Cyprian had some. He gave me a quick tour of his self-built house. Here you stake out a plot of land, build your structure, and certify it later with the authorities. Next, they wanted to get some ground black volcanic rock, and there was plenty of it here. Here we are at Wendy's house, just across the street from her mom, Alcinda.
Starboy, man.
Nice Starboy. Bom merece, man.
Yeah.
Merece.
Look at that, Victor's making progress.
Não tá a fazer o seguinte.
Yeah. Foi feliz, Wendy?
Yeah.
That's what's important. The sound of normal here is music, and the Manza Music Floating Hub and Recording Studio is making music. All the time, it seems lately.
Going for a little ride with Paul Lou and BB Tonic. He's testing out his boat, he's got all this permission.
As well, my friend from the French Alps, Paul Lou, is back. His modified local fishing boat is ready for a quick shakedown around the bay. Paul has been fishing around here for over a decade. He's basically a Criollo. And he has scores of guests who go out fishing with him. He knows these waters and where the fish are. He's always accompanied by locals like Javi here, a great guy. The bay has a few yachts anchored. Most are waiting to start their journey across the ocean. Paul Lou did his good deed for the day. Nothing like a nice stiff grog out in the bay. This is a local group that regularly plays here. Man, are they good.
Well, we have a great surprise here tonight. It's Page. And guess what? He's finally going. He finally got a contract. He's going to Copenhagen, Denmark tomorrow. And he came by over here so I could help him do his passenger check-in and the passenger locator form.
Anything is ready! I go to work for my family, for my life.
I'm really happy for him. He's going off for 9 months. He's going to make some decent money. So I'm going to be sad not to see him for 9 months, but you know.
Thank you for all in the help you give to me, my friend. Never forget this. For myself, you do it for me. So, the help you give to me, anything.
Paige and I are having a quick groguinha. Isn't he sweet? My food do for my friend, man.
This teach me English, but now I speak a little bit. But a long time I don't speak nothing. No.
He's gonna learn. He's in a German company. He's probably gonna have to speak English with the German crew and stuff. It's gonna be great for him. I'm super happy. So.
One more grog.
Yeah.
But I finish. Go home. Olila.
Olila.
Cheers. Ole. Cheers.
Cheers. Ole ole. Sap. Fort.
Zeker geen probleem. Zeker gaan jij wel. Zeker cool.
I just heard from him a few days ago. His ship went to Russia and Ukraine. Huh.
So me and Henrik are a beach barbecue. He invited me. Prepared a bunch of chicken, and we're
Bunch of chicks too, right?
yeah, just 3 guys and a bunch of girls, and we're waiting some more. Cape Verde is hard, man.
Yep, Henrik, my Swedish friend, has become good friends with these girls here. Gladly accepted the invitation. The grill master is Lilika, here with a fashionable hat. She's a school teacher, and that's her girlfriend Fanny. They've been together 7 years. The weather was ideal, and Henrik had bought and brined several kilos of chicken to grill. Lilika had also made moya verde, or green sauce. It's got lots of garlic, man. I love it. And look who showed up. Alcinda. Unfortunately, Wendy couldn't come. Too bad. Her and Clader would have had fun. We're celebrating Fanny's birthday today. They've got a whole band of friends that they regularly hang out with, and are all invited for the beach festivities. And let me tell you, they're all a blast, and gorgeous. As the sun was setting and the music was playing, our friend here, Indira, who came later, got her mojo going. This island is cosmopolitan, yet also small. Everyone knows each other more or less. Everywhere you go, you'll find someone you know. Just another Sunday at the beach here in Mindelo, Cabo Verde, Africa. During the week, he was back to work at Wendy's place. Since she has no running water, well, as you can see, Wendy is tough. Let me tell you, you don't mess with her. But the work has to get done. Masons are in high demand here, and Cyprian only has a few days to work with us. Progress is slow, but hey, this is Cabo Verde, no stress.
Well, V2 and Super did an amazing job here, man. Looks wonderful. Just doing it with basically nothing. Sand from the road. And Wendy's happy.
In the morning, we loaded all the wood elements from V2's house to bring to Wendy's. Simo is a big reggae fan. Listen.
Hello, people. Now we're going to eat something.
Cyprian was putting the finishing touches. The man is good. And Wendy? Well, she doesn't really like mornings, but boy, is she cute like that.
Quale, baby? Yeah, that's cool.
And she makes sure everyone is fed. V2 had some machine work to be done on his wooden parts, so he comes here to the Carpenters Cooperative. They're equipped with all kinds of machines, and for relatively cheap, carpenters who don't have all the tools come here to machine their stuff. Soon, Wendy will be able to welcome friends and customers. Stay tuned. Until then, we'll get back in the water. It was great to have you along in this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, give us a like and subscribe. You really help us navigate better. Me and my boat Galopin promise you a good time every Wednesday, so welcome aboard.